biggest mistake that any English learner should not make is to being too meticulous about their speaking. Whenever you want to have conversation, whenever you want to speak with someone, you think too much. You are too meticulous about every single mistake. This is a crime because learning is a process, and in this process, even if you are making a mistake, it's okay. It's not a big deal. But we make a very big deal in our mind that we just don't speak in front of people. Listen to me. You don't have to be too assertive about everything. You don't have to be. Even though you try to be, but you don't have to be. Because learning is a process. If you will not make mistake, you will not learn. Don't try to be perfect because we are not perfect. Human beings are not perfect. Don't try to be perfect. Accept your imperfections. In our mind, we expect that we will speak fluent and we won't make any mistake. But this is the process. It's gonna happen no matter what you do. Yes, it's gonna happen. You will make mistake, you will stutter, you will make bunch of mistakes, you will forget about vocabularies. That's completely fine. That's totally fine. It has to happen. Okay, it has to happen. If you have an attitude to do everything in the right way, when you speak in the right way, you don't want to make mistake. If even if your mindset is like this, that's great. But for achieving this mindset, you have to do practice each and every day. You have to follow the practice routine. You have to watch movies in English. You have to follow certain steps.